Hey guys, today I have something very interesting for you. I got this package in the mail and this is the MacBook Pro 16-inch Space Black M4 Pro with 48 gigabytes of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage. And yeah, I thought let's unpack this together. Just so you know, this was my daily driver up until today. This is the M1 Air with 16 gigabytes of RAM and only 512 gigabytes of storage. And yeah, I've just hit the limits with this and I went all out to get this one. And yeah, I'm very excited and let's get to it. So this is the top-down view of this guy. And I guess first of all we have to lift this tab and see what we're greeted with. Okay, I can already see the MacBook in the background. Okay, we opened it upside down. Let's turn this around. So, I guess this is it. Okay, it's kind of hard to open this with one hand, so I put the camera back there. And yeah, I think we have to open these two tabs and then we can open it for real. Number one. And now number 2 is down here. Let's see what it looks like little by little. Here we go. Okay, I'm lifting it out of the box. It's a lot heavier than my MacBook Air was. Put this down. Here in the box we have this black color matched cable. This is just like some information, and I think I heard they don't put stickers in there anymore. So this is pretty standard. And we have a huge brick. Do I have the other one? Here. This is what I had before. This is the new one. You can fit it in there 3 times or something. But it also has quite a bit of power, so that's fine. So let's put this to the side. This one as well. This one as well. Let's remove the wrapping paper and lift it out. Beautiful. This guy is huge. And I can already tell my fingerprints on there. I'm gonna have to wipe it down a lot. But I guess the moment we've been waiting for is this one. Let's open it up. Lift up this one. Starts up right away. It's beautiful. Coming from this guy, this is huge. I can already see my productivity going up at least twice. Here you go. This is what it looks like. And I'm very excited to start using this. So here we have a little bit more of a close-up of this guy. Beautiful. Yeah, I guess from here on out it's just gonna be the normal setup that you've probably seen before. So I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. And thank you for joining me for this little unboxing. It's the first video of this kind I've ever made. Maybe it's interesting to someone. And yeah, next week I guess we're gonna be back to startup related content. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I am still at the very beginning of my YouTube journey, so it really would help out a lot. And other than that, keep shipping and see you next week.